If you want to see me make this beautiful bagel sandwich with raw salmon, spinach, olives, keep on watching. Super simple recipe, super easy to create, super nutritious, super healthy. I just got done making my lemon ginger detox. Quick pun, check out my video, my lemon ginger detox video. I only had 2 ingredients today. I only had turmeric and lime. I didn't even have a lemon, I had a lime. So I put a whole lime in here. It's a lot of fluid. Let's chug this. All right, let's make this sandwich together, okay? These are all of the utensils and all of the ingredients that you will need for the raw salmon bagel sandwich that I've been eating. I have this bread knife. You can use whatever knife you have. And I have this small spoon that I use to gut the bagel, which I have already gutted right here. It's like a gutted bagel. And the guts are right here of the bagel. I'm gonna give those to the birds, feed those to the birds outside. Yeah, and then I have my cutting board. This one I got from TJ Maxx. It folds. I really love that. These are all of the things you will need for that sandwich. So let me make it for you, okay? And I'm gonna use the spoon to spread the hummus on the bagel instead of the cream cheese. And then I like to shove olives inside the hummus because it's like gooey. The olives, I already have them pre-pitted and then I just slice them. And then I like to put I think it's Parmesan cheese. It's really crumbly and it's really nutty. So I love that. I wanted to eat some cheese. It adds protein. And then I like to layer it with the tomatoes. And I've already gutted these tomatoes and I have already eaten like the inside part of them. So hummus is protein, the raw salmon is protein, and then the cheese is also contains some protein. And then we have some greens. I have stacked up my greens, the biggest one on one end and the smaller pieces on one end, because I stuffed the smaller pieces basically to fill up the gap, and that's this like hollowness that's inside. To fill that up, I like to use the greens. This is like so tasty and so delicious and so nutritious. I was not eating any breads, pastas, rice, things like that, but now I've started introducing a little bit of cheese and a little bit of bread in my life. But like I said, I'm being very wise about it, about how I'm consuming it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.